Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to completely uninstall Valorant. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to completely uninstall Valorant, all you gotta do is simply exit your Valorant screen and go to your search bar. So once you're in your search bar, you need to simply type in Valorant. After this, you need to click on that particular app, and after you have done that, you can find the option to simply uninstall it. Simply tap on the uninstall button, and once you tap on uninstall, you need to simply confirm that you need or you want to confirm this uninstallment of the app. After this, Riot Games will tell you that this app has been successfully uninstalled, and now to completely uninstall it, simply open your file, and once you're in your file, search for your Riot Games file. So once you search for a Riot Games files, you can simply scroll down and find the Valorant option. Once you find it, simply right click it and tap on the delete option. So this will now delete your Valorant files as well, and this is how you can simply completely uninstall your Valorant. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.